Don't make any noise until they come around you and they be like, ah, go back to your room.
What did she say?
Something about an albino.
She's like a fucking albino.
She is white. Why is she so white?
She's worse than me.
Caitlin,
That's bad.
get out of the tree. Bad, Caitlin.
Wait, no, don't acknowledge her existence.
They're gonna think she's we could get away with this if this were Thursday, because you know how everyone gets around here on Thursdays.
What?
If this were Thursday, we could get away with this.
Someone's making fun of you.
Why?
Over there. Someone.
Thursday. You know, everybody's just wasted on Thursday. Huh?
Oh, everybody's wasted. Oh, so they'll be scared shitless when they walk past her and she jumps out.
I can't hear what you're saying.
What? We need to buy some camo to cover up.
It looks. All I see is a leg sticking out of the tree.
And then let her,
Like
or paint her brown, and then like no one's gonna notice her until we push her out. Like,
Why do you have that cigarette in your hand?
I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I
You're
don't.
holding
Look,
it.
look,
magic
look,
trick.
ready?
No,
It's not.
It's in your hand.
It's gone.
Whatever,
Okay, it's
whatever,
not there anymore.
Whatever. You're crazy. Where'd it go?